Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we will be learning how to make funnel charts. We will be making a funnel chart similar to this. For that, click on new worksheet. In this example, we will be using the variables ship mode and sales. So we will be picking sales, drag and drop to the rows and ship mode to the columns. Swap the axis by clicking on this icon. Sort by descending. Convert the chart from bar to area. Make it entire view. Now we need to create one calculated field for the sales. For that, we need to click here, create calculate field, type negative sales, and the formula would be minus sales. Apply. Okay. Drag and drop this negative sales variable to the columns. Now we will be adding labels. We have two proportions. So if we drag and drop the ship mode to the label, it will be applied to both the portions. But if we want one side to be for labels and one side to be for sales, for that, click on this portion, drag and drop ship mode to the label, change the color if you want, click on this portion now, drag and drop the sales to the label. Now, the values of the sales are in absolute values. If we want to convert it into percentage, for that, click here, click on quick table calculation, click on percentage of total. Here you can see the values has been converted into percentage of the total. You can change the color too. Name the sheet as funnel chart. Ship mode and sales. Click on apply. Okay. I hope you have understand how to make funnel charts. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on the Tableau. Thank you.